मैं ये कल की हनी की जन्मदिन के लिए बना रहा हूँ।
Tomorrow is my wife's birthday. Every year, I spend days wondering what gift I should give her. Flowers? Chocolates? Jewelry? But this year felt different. I wanted to give her something that no shop in the world could sell. I had never made earrings before. I wasn't sure whether they would turn out beautiful. But sometimes love doesn't ask if you're perfect. First, I took this air dry clay and rolled it. Then I'm cutting it in the shape of Chandbali to make a base. I think these earrings can be made with different types of materials, but today I choose clay to do this. Here first I took the paper cut out of base so that we can easily cut the exact shape with clay. This is method 1, we can cut using a sharp object or simply using scissor. Okay, now the base is ready for earrings. You can also do the same process with scissor. I think this is easier than that. Here I am making a small hole at the top to insert jump ring later. I made pair of this and now I am scoring the lines on it with scoring tool. Now I am making the different sized flowers using silicone mold. Apply some talcum powder on it so that it gets strong and it won't stick to the mold. Each flower looked different. Some were bigger, some were smaller, some were not perfect at all. But strangely, that made them even more special. Because perfection isn't what makes handmade gifts beautiful, it's the effort behind them. As I worked on every flower, I couldn't stop thinking about her smile. I made totally 7 flowers and arranged them in descending order. Now it was time to paint. I chose soft pastel colors. Colors that reminded me of spring flowers. Colors that matched her cheerful personality. As each flower came to life, I could already imagine how beautiful the finished earrings would look. Not because of the colors, not because of the design, but because I knew exactly who would wear them. After painting, I feel that they're so beautiful than what I expected, and now I am adding pearl beads at the joints. Now I am adding jump ring through the hole we made at the top. Connect it with another jump ring and finally insert earring hook. I don't have the hook, so I'm making the earring hook with eye pin. Okay, now the earrings are ready and now I am applying mica powder for shining effect. Apply powder when the paint is semi-dry, otherwise the powder won't give the shine perfectly. Now I am adding pearl chain at the bottom of earring. I am not adding to the total earring, only to the bottom half. Use strong glue here and remove the thread only after it is dried. I applied 3 coats of varnish to make it more shiner. Now I am starting with the body for making butterfly earrings. This is easy, and I am again making 4 flowers with silicone mold. Tomorrow morning, she'll wake up expecting a normal birthday. She has no idea what I'm making right now. No idea that these earrings are waiting for her. And honestly, I'm more excited than she is. Because gifts are not just about receiving. Sometimes the greatest joy comes from giving. Especially when it's for someone you love. See, here I am making a hole at the top to insert jump ring later. And now I'm painting the beautiful butterfly waiting for my wife with natural color like green. And now I am adding tiny details with white paint. I think mica powder is the ultimate shiner for any product. Finally, I am adding 2 jump rings and earring hook. It is looking so simple, so I am adding pearl beads to make it more beautiful. The earrings are finally finished. Looking at them now, I don't see clay. I don't see paint. I don't see pearls. I see memories. I see gratitude. I see love. Tomorrow, when I hand her this little box, I hope she understands one thing. These earrings may not be expensive. They may not be made by a famous designer, but they were made by someone who loves her with.
Happy birthday, my love.
Oh, you remembered, and they're beautiful. Thank you.
Let me help you with them.
Perfect. Look at us.
Happy birthday. I have a surprise. Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Surprise.
Happy birthday, honey.
These are stunning. Thank you. They're beautiful. Where are we going?